It paved the way for exempting law violators from their criminal liability by reason of insanity. A. People versus Vera. B. McNaughton case. C. Shursi. D. Furlough. Answer B. McNaughton case. Primitive punishment of the transgressor is carried out through personal vengeance. A. Retribution. B. Expiation. C. Deterrence. D. Protection. Answer A. Retribution. A pardon cannot be extended to one of the following: A. Murder. B. Brigandage. C. Rape. D. Impeachment. Answer D. Impeachment. A person who is detained for the violation of law or ordinance and has not been convicted is: A. Detention prisoner. B. Provincial prisoner. C. Municipal prisoner. D. City prisoner. Answer A. Detention prisoner. It is the authority of the President to suspend the execution of a penalty, reduce the sentence, and extinguish criminal liability. A. Parole. B. Executive clemency. C. Pardon. D. Amnesty. Answer B. Executive clemency. A written report detailing a particular inmate and the violations incurred with reference to the rule book. A. Post-sentence report. B. Behavioral report. C. Misconduct report. D. Admission summary. Answer C. Misconduct report. Calls the attention of inmates for certain misconduct or positive traits manifested while serving sentences. A. Post-sentence report. B. Behavioral report. C. Misconduct report. D. Admission summary. Answer B. Behavior report. Sometimes referred to as a case conference or guidance conference, wherein the tentative formulation of a rehabilitation program is conducted with the inmate concerned. A. Staff conference. B. Admission classification meeting. C. Classification meeting. D. Staff interview. Answer A. Staff conference. The ideal number of days for an inmate to be placed in the quarantine unit at the reception and diagnostic center. A. 2 days. B. 3 days. C. 4 days. D. 5 days. Answer D. 5 days. Its main objective is to prevent unnecessary custodial risk and prevent physical and moral contamination from one group to another. A. Diversification. B. Segregation. C. Discipline. D. Classification. Answer B. Segregation.